just between lovers. A major accident takes the life of 48 people. When the Lee Gan-do was 15 years, he dreamed of playing for the Korean national soccer team. But the serious injury occurred in the accident. He insecure destroyed those dreams. In the years following, the Gong-do spent his life fighting through a physical and emotional pain, and he is suffering from the financial problem. When the Ha-moon was 15 years old, she also lived the accident and through the accident, and now she is plagued by the nightmare years later after the accident. She lives above the woman bath house that her mother runs and also living a difficult life. She specializes in creating the architectural models that are key safety element in any major building planning process. Some years later, a construction project is due to kick off at the accident site. It brings back the painful memories for everyone, the Gongdu, Munsu, and all those who are connected to the tragedy. While some oppose the project, others become involved in the construction process. As these people cross paths, they help each other for overcoming the pain, and in this process, the bad boy and a girl fall in love with each other. Mr. Sunshine. The Mr. Sunshine drama centers on a young boy born into a house servant's family and traveled to the United States during the 1870 years. He returns to his homeland later as a US Marine officer. He meets and falls in love with the aristocrat's daughter. At the same time, he discovers a plot by a foreign forces to colonize the Korea. He is now a bad person, and the girl who was very innocent, sweet, and a nice girl also start to fall in love with him. Best Mistake Web Drama. The Kang Yul plays the Ji Yoon Ho, the bad boy student who has some anger issue. He is known around school as being a kind of a punk, but is also very popular with the girls. When a misunderstanding makes him comfort the Kim Yoon Do, a girl, he starts to see her in a different light. She is everything what he is not. She is a smart, quiet, and a very sweet girl. His feelings grow for her, and it completely changes him. He studies hard, even hard, because he wants to go to the same university as her, and also this changes makes the girl fall in love with a bad person, and now he is no more a bad person, become a very good person. It is a really sweet and a romantic drama. Work of Love. The Do Chil Seung is a gang leader, loan shark, and owner of a rundown Chinese restaurant. He has a calm demeanor but can also be ruthless when it comes to the business. He has no fear and people are scared of him. But when Chil Seung meets the Seung Pong, he let him take over his restaurant and the two form a brother-like bond. He cares for him and wants him to be succeed. On top of this, he meets the Dan Se Woo, a woman who is end up falling in love with. He even risks his life to save her, all in the name of love. It is a really very nice and amazing, funny, romantic drama which are really worth of watching. The Smile Has Left Your Eyes. A TV series centered around the unfolding relationship between the free and unpredictable yet dangerous Kim Woo Young, who is called a monster. He is first assistant in a Korean beer brewery, who becomes a suspect when a woman's suicide turns out to be murder. His life becomes to change when he meets a kind, warm advertising designer named Yoo Jin Kang, who wishes to be a Moon Young's safe haven. She bears as many emotional scars as him. Yoo Jin Kang also had a brother who homicide detective, whose name is Yoo Jin Gook, who is 27 years of a job experience. He strives to reveal who Moo Young really is and attempt to keep his sister Jin Kang away from him, with whom she begins to fall in love. This is a really good emotional mystery, thriller, and a romantic drama. I Am Sorry, I Love You. The Cha Moo Hyuk was adopted by an Australian family but was abused and left homeless at an early age. One day he come across the Song Yoon Che, the coordinator for a Cho Yoon, a famous singer in Korea, whom she is secretly in love with. Her fateful encounter with Moo Young end up affecting not only her life but that of her precious Yoon as well. Because of an accident involving his ex-girlfriend, Moo Young is left with 3 months to live. This led him to head back to Korea in search of his biological mother. The discovery he makes change his heart from longing to the revenge. Even with all of this darkness surrounding him, he finds an unexpected source of happiness with someone he did not expect to love. This is a really good drama with a good girl fall in love with a bad boy who turned out to be bad because of the many situations in his life. Scarlett Heart Goryeo. The Wang So is the prince, the hard to handle tough, who is one of the many princes in life to become the king. When he meets the Hasu, which is played by the IU, he falls in love with her but can't seem to find the right time to ever be with her. His bad boy ways are almost all diminished, but when the duty calls and Wang So must become king, he is forced to make a heartbreaking decision. Seeing the Li Jonggi is the anterior role is invigorating and so romantic. He is so easy to hate at times, but by the end of the series, he has all of our hearts despite the big chip on his shoulder. He loves the Hesu with all his heart and does not want to see her suffer. His love for her is infinite, which makes him pretty darn epic. It is one of the most emotional and heartbreaking drama, which is going to be with a sad ending. It is a spoiler, but yes, it is very one of the heartbreaking drama, which is really going to make you cry like a baby.